In this tutorial, we will see that how you can screen share on YouTube Live. So let's dive right in. From your desktop, open Google and simply open YouTube from here. After opening it, in the right upper side, you will find here this create button. Click on that and simply click go live. It will take you to this page. On the left side, you will find here these some of more options. Select this live and it will open up like this. Then simply minimize it and search for OBS Studio that you can easily download from Google Store. It's free software. You can simply open it. It will open up like this. Then click on this plus icon and select display. Click OK, OK again. Then it will start capturing your screen. In the right bottom side, you'll find here these some of options like start recording, streaming and settings. Open settings from here and you will be on this channel. You can open this Steam and here in screen section this switch will be selected. You can open it and change it to YouTube and then select use Steam key advanced. It will open up like this where it will show you this Steam key option to paste. Minimize it and open YouTube here. You will get this Steam key. You can simply copy it from here and paste it in the Steam key section and click connect account. Then it will take you to this page where you have to sign in with your account. After signing in, it will start showing you your YouTube channel name here. Click OK and click on this start streaming. Select manage broadcast. Then simply after setting up this broadcast settings, you will be able to share screen on YouTube Live in just few easy steps.